The air filter bracket both helps to secure the air filter base to the carburetor and provides the mounting point for the air filter cover. If the cover attachment knob is over-tightened, the threads can be stripped out. If the tool falls over, landing on the air filter cover, the bracket can be bent. Replacing the air filter bracket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. Next, I'll remove the air filter. Now I'll remove the two bolts that secure the carburetor and the air filter base to the engine. With the bolts loosened, I can pull the bracket away from the air filter base, along with the bolts, and remove the base. With the screws removed, now I can remove the screws from the old air filter bracket. Now I can install the new air filter bracket. I'll place the screws through it, and now reattach this assembly to the air filter base. And now this can go back onto the carburetor. I align the screws with the carburetor and insert them through the carburetor. Now I can reinstall the carburetor gasket. I'll place it over the screws that I've already threaded through the carburetor, and now this assembly can be reattached to the isolator. Now install the air filter and the air cleaner cover. And that's how easy it is to install a new air filter bracket on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.